Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. This is week 10 assignment of the course Joy of Computing Using Python. Guys, for the past 6 years we have been doing solution videos for many courses including Joy of Computing Using Python. So these are completely our problem solutions, guys. If you want to suggest any other solutions, you can please do that in the comment section. So now let's see the solutions for each and every question, guys. So first one, what is the primary purpose of the function remove matching letter? So for first question, third option, to remove the first matching character from both lists and signal continuation. So third option is the probable one. Next, second question. For second one, option 2, guys. Next, third question. For third question, third option. Next, fourth one. For fourth question, again third option. Fifth one. For fifth question, first. Sixth question, also first. Seventh question, it's fourth option. Next, eighth question, fourth option once again. Ninth question, third option. 10th, fourth option. So first we have completed the first 10 questions. Now let's move on to the last 5 questions from 11th question onwards. So before getting into the 11th question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So for the course Joy of Computing Using Python, so with more than 6 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected this. So guys, these are collection of 9 past semester assignment MCQs, guys. 9 past semesters assignment MCQs. So here you can see the list of MCQs, total number of MCQs and the corresponding prices. So 125 MCQs, it will be 150, and 2 semesters question, approximately 240 questions you will get. So 2 semesters question, 250 rupees, 3 semesters 360, 5 semesters just 500, and for 9 semesters 800, guys. If you increase number of MCQs, the price, relevant price, will be decreased, guys. So it's better if you take at least 360 MCQs pack so that you can cover more questions and models. So 360 MCQs, 360 rupees. So mean almost 3 semesters questions, almost 360 MCQs, 360 rupees. 240 MCQs, approximately 250 rupees. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack. So this is a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So validity will be till the exam results publishing day, guys. You can mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com if you want to purchase the MCQs. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and do let them know about this pack. So huge number of 1000 plus MCQs you are going to get. That means 9 semesters MCQs for 800. So 360 MCQs 300, 360, guys. 600 MCQs 500. 240 MCQs 250 and 125 MCQs 150. You can choose any pack based on your budget and number of questions you want, right? So validity will be till the exam results publishing day. So this is the mail ID, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So for the 11th question, first option, and 12th question also its first option, and 13th one it is fourth, 14th question once again fourth option, and finally 15th question it's fourth option once again. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 10 assignment of the course Python. So don't forget to purchase this collection of MCQs pack. You can choose any pack you want. Validity will be till the exam results day, guys. So mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this. Until the next video, goodbye. Thank you. Please share this news with your friends and classmates.